Okay, guys, check this out. What I'm about to give you now is some exclusive information that I've not seen anywhere else on the internet. Um, I found this out through trial and error on my own, just to give you a heads up of what's going on and what this tutorial is about. Uh, this will teach you how to restart the Windows operating system without having to reboot the computer. Okay, so check this out. Notice that as I pan across my screen here, I've got my icons up here. Down here at the bottom, I've got the start button and my taskbar. Okay, we've got everything open down here. My Winamp controls here. All my little icons for the programs that I have running down here. Cam Studio. And here is, once again, we're back to my computer. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is hit Control-Alt-Delete, and that's going to bring up the Task Manager. So press all three of those buttons at the same time. This is the screen that opens when you do that. What you're going to want to do is sort by image name. You're going to go down to Explorer. This previously was a task that you probably did not want to end previous to this information, because once you hit end task, let me show you what happens. Okay? But you actually do want to end task. So go ahead and hit end task. It's going to give you a warning. This is a generic warning that comes up before any task that you try to end through the task manager. Go ahead and click yes. Now, if you notice, all of my icons are gone. My start button is gone. My taskbar is gone. Windows, you've basically just closed Windows. And under normal circumstances, that would be bad because at this point you're kind of stuck. But I found a glitch that allows us to reboot Windows. So go ahead and go back to your task manager window that should still be open. Go to File. You're going to want to go to New Task. It's going to open this window here. You're going to go Browse. Okay. It doesn't matter what folder by default it browses to. You're just going to want to click on any folder in this window. Any one, it doesn't matter. And then you're going to go to Explore, and this is going to force Windows to restart. Notice the error message that popped up here in the back. But if you notice, my icons are back. My start button is back. My taskbar is back. Everything's back to normal. I've done this plenty of times. You can just go ahead and close out all these windows now that Windows is back up and running. I've done this plenty of times. I've not seen any drawback, any reason to not want to use this system. Everything still functions fine. One thing that you will notice is sometimes it will move the icons on your desktop if you've moved them around before you have rebooted last. So if sometime during when you recently booted up Windows and when you just now forced Windows to close and reopen, if you hadn't rebooted in between those points, the icons on your desktop may get slightly rearranged to the point they were at before then. But like, that's not an issue if you haven't arranged any icons on your desktop. I just wanted to give you the heads up. That's the only drawback that I've noticed from forcing Windows to close and reopen using this method. I'm not sure if this will work for Windows 2000. I know it works for XP Home and XP Professional. I refuse to use Vista, so I have no idea if it works in Vista. If someone wants to leave a message and let me know if it works in Windows 2000 or in Windows Vista, there might be some people out there that would appreciate that. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys, and I hope somebody gets some help out of this.